So in the last video, we've expressed 10x plus 9 over 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 3 squared in terms of partial fractions. We're now going to use that solution to help us to integrate that expression. So the first thing that we need to do is replace our expression with our partial fractions here. So really we're integrating 1 over 2x plus 1 minus 1 over 2x plus 3. Now, when I rewrite this last expression, because it's over the factor squared, let's put that up in the numerator. So 2x plus 3 to the minus 2, which is going to allow us to integrate that. And we're still integrating with respect to x there. So, if we integrate the first term then, we've got 1 over this linear factor. So we're going to get the natural logarithm of the linear factor, 2x plus 1. But you also need to remember that we need to divide by the differential of that linear factor. So in this case, we're dividing by 2, or we're timesing by half. Either is fine. Then for the next expression, we have minus. Again, it's 1 over a linear factor, so it's the natural logarithm of 2x plus 3. And again, we need to divide by the differential of that bracket, that linear bracket there. So that's dividing by 2. And then for the last term here, we have plus 3 times the bracket of 2x plus 3. Raise the power by 1 because we're integrating, so that goes up to minus 1. Divide by that new power of minus 1, and also divide by the differential of that bracket, which is 2. And because this is an indefinite integral, we also need plus c there. So we have a half times the natural logarithm of 2x plus 1 minus a half times the natural logarithm of 2x plus 3. We have minus 1 times minus 2, minus 1 times 2, which is minus 2. So that's going to change our sign here to a minus sign. We're going to have 3 over 2 times our linear expression, 2x plus 3. We have a plus c there. And that would be perfectly fine to leave as our answer. However, we do actually have a common factor of a half in each of these 3 terms, and we have 2 natural logarithms there. So let's combine those together. Take out our common factor of a half. Combine the 2 natural logarithms because that's a minus. We get the natural logarithm of 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 3 minus 3 over, we've taken out the factor of a half, so we're just left with 2x plus 3 in the denominator, and at the end we have plus c. As I say, either of those 2 forms would be fine. This one's just a little bit nicer and more compact at the end.